Recipes. I am Kevin, and this morning I'm going to be doing the ultimate breakfast sandwich on the Blackstone Griddle. Now, I don't know if you had seen my video yet on the Blackstone versus Pit Boss cinnamon rolls. I'll put the link up above, but they both came out incredible. The Pit Boss, they did a great job, made them just like you would out of the oven. On the Blackstone, we smashed them, and they came out really good. And on the Blackstone, they're a little more dense. And then after that video aired, Craig at Behind the Garage Barbecue, he reached out to me and said, you know what, you need to make a breakfast sandwich out of those smashed cinnamon rolls. Great idea, right? Thanks, Craig. If you guys haven't checked out Craig's channel yet, it's Behind the Garage Barbecue. He makes a lot of awesome cooks, so I highly recommend going over there, like and subscribe, check out his videos, and I think you'll enjoy his cooks. But anyway, so today I'm going to take his advice. We're going to make the ultimate breakfast sandwich. We're going to smash the cinnamon rolls. We're going to add the egg, sausage, and bacon, and let's get this all going. I got my Blackstone going. I got it on a medium-low heat. The first thing I'm going to do is get the cinnamon rolls going. Then we'll do the eggs and sausage. I've got some leftover bacon, so I don't have to cook a whole pack of bacon for this. And let's get going. Okay, for our ingredients, I've got a pound of Jimmy Dean sausage, cut into 4, so 3/4 pound balls. A little butter. Had some leftover bacon. A couple eggs. Got our egg rings. And grand cinnamon rolls. So let's get these going. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is lay down a little bit of butter. Get the butter spread out. And we're going to lay down our cinnamon rolls. All right. The grands come with 5, so we're making 2 sandwiches today. 4, and there's number 5. Now we're going to let these sit just for a minute. Let them kind of soften up a little bit, then we'll give them a smash. Okay, these have been going a little bit. Got my parchment paper. I'm going to put a little butter on here. I'll lay it down for a second just to heat it up real quick. Then I will put it over a cinnamon roll, and then I am going to smash it down. And the butter helps it come off of there. Get a little more butter on there. Smash it down. Careful when that comes up. Let's down a little bit. Okay, so the goal here is to try to make my cinnamon rolls about the size of my egg. So those are going to work out just right. Just let them go for a little bit. We'll check underneath. We'll flip them. Just let them cook for a couple of minutes. Let's go ahead and give these a flip. Then mash down a little bit. Keep their size. Look at that. These are ready. Yep, those are ready. Okay. Okay, we're going to have to go another couple of minutes. Give them another flip. I'm going to move this one over. I do have my burners on this side a little hotter right at the moment so that I can do my sausage next. You don't want to get them burnt, but you do want to get them nice and browned up a little bit. Those are looking really good. You can kind of tell the sides get a little drier looking as they're cooking. Okay, we're going to go about a minute here, and then I'm going to transfer them to about another minute. So what I'm going to do is transfer them over here to this cooling rack. And I do have my burner on low on this side, and what I'm going to do is cover them with my pan here, and I'm going to let those just keep warm and still kind of sort of bake a little bit while I do everything else. Okay, let's get our sausage going. doing 4 sausage. We had 1 pound. And we want them obviously to be big enough for our sandwich. So you get your parchment paper, same thing, push it down, hold it about 10 seconds. Let's go a little bit thinner because they'll probably shrink up a little bit. Okay. Starting to get a little brown around the edges here. A couple of minutes. Look at that. Okay. Looking good. And I don't know if you noticed or not, but I did not put any oil down. You know, it's sausage. Sausage is greasy enough. My Blackstone is seasoned well enough, so there's not really any sticking. We'll let these go another minute or so. So they don't stick. They shouldn't. Okay, you just want to push down on the center so they do kind of bubble up a little bit. And make sure, since it is sausage, you want to get them nice and cooked through and through. I do have my bacon over here warming up. And it looks like it's doing pretty good. I think I'm going to throw that underneath there with the cinnamon rolls. Just need to heat it up. It's already give them a flip. Check them out. Well, those are looking pretty done. Okay, I'll move this one over. Looks like it might need a little bit more. I think the knees right here are done. We're going to move these over to the side. Go just about maybe another minute. Okay, that one's done. We're going to move it over here. And I'm going to scrape all the goodies off of there so we can do our eggs. I'm going to use our egg rings, and I am going to spray them a little bit with some olive oil on the inside so that our eggs don't stick. Turn my temperatures down all the way low. They'll probably cook pretty fast. Okay. One egg. Just going to mix it up a little bit. Egg number 2. You want to break that up. Let them cook long enough so that they kind of solidify a little bit in there before we take the egg ring off. And I'm going to go ahead and take my cinnamon rolls off of here so they can cool a little bit before we build them. Okay, so you take our egg ring off. There's one. So this one's doing, it's a little looser. That's all right. Take that off. Flip. Like that. So they're not really cinnamon rolls without the frosting, right? So I am going to go ahead and put some frosting on these. Will be on the inside. I'm not going to go too heavy. I'll put a little more on the one that is not going to be used for a sandwich. Okay, so I'm going to just spread a little bit in there. Well, these look good, don't they? Okay, just like that. I'm going to get an egg on one. Egg on the other. Look at that. Perfect, huh? All right, we're going to get our sausage. One sausage. Gotta have some bacon on there. Okay. Another sausage. More bacon. Man, those are hot. Okay, just like that. And now, of course, got to make the sandwich, right? Put that right on top like that. Look at those. Well, these are going to be delicious. Okay, there you go. The ultimate breakfast sandwich made with a cinnamon roll, egg, sausage, bacon. Look at that. Oh, all right, here's the taste test. Oh my God. That is outstanding. Perfect. Everything's perfect. Egg, bacon, sausage, cinnamon rolls, done. Check that out. Perfect. Okay. I'd like to thank Craig at Behind the Garage Barbecue. Thanks for the idea. There it is. Awesome suggestion. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video.